Let's see. I think there's actually 7. Cheers. I got some eggs with ham.
Why are you talking like that?
I got some egg. No. I have eggs and ham and sausage and watermelon.
Why are you talking?
I don't know. I have eggs and ham, sausage, watermelon, pancakes, lemonade. Cheers.
Lemonade. Let me see your Samantha shirt. I love it. Where'd you get that?
An Instagram ad.
You fell for it.
Alyssa got it for
It's
me.
a good one.
It's so good. Here she is. Here's my girl.
That's your place.
This is the local store we always go to. We have to make a trip.
It's time to get some food and alcohol.
How many? 2? What do we normally get?
I feel like 2 is good. What do you get?
Oh, you like the Klondike,
I
right?
do, yeah.
But I'm kind of thinking if they had a cookie one, I'd be feeling that.
Cookie what?
Oh, like the Soul Hot
Like down there. How many are in it?
I like drumsticks.
There's 7 in there. Should we get? Let's get a
I
variety.
feel like I'm the only person who ever eats the Klondikes, so I'd be open to getting something that people want.
Should we do the chocolate chip cookies?
Yeah.
And then let's do the drumsticks. Because then we have a variety.
I like that.
Which one's Jamie?
Yeah, which drumstick do you want?
The one with like the variety, right?
I just walked to Walgreens.
Oh, those have nuts on them. Oh wait, that's normal, right?
That's normal.
Yeah,
drumstick.
it is. I like that. With the water. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. We are in northern Wisconsin. We're back in my favorite place, maybe ever. I've been coming here since I was born. I've been coming here my whole life. And it is just the best calm lake. Ugh. Yesterday was our first day here. We woke up at 1:30 a.m. and drove the 6 hours here. So we got here around 9. We had basically a full day and the weather was beautiful. But because it was so hot, a storm rolled in and it was probably the most intense storm I've seen in a while. But it's the 4th of July, so we're gonna have a good day and hopefully have perfect weather again today. See some fireworks.
Bye.
Happy 4th of July!
This is the cabin.
This is the outdoor shower.
Really nice.
Clothing rack.
Clothing line.
Here's the bonfire with our picnic table. We have all of our dinners on.
It is raining today, so everyone's kind of chilling.
And here is our crib.
All the tents.
Welcome to our crib. Take your slides off. We pack in like sardines. Jake, Hannah, me, Emma, True.
We've got 5 people in this tent.
It's nice and cozy, and you can hear the rain and all the wild animals.
How'd you sleep last night?
Amazing. It stormed last night and the night before.
But no rain in here. We're doing good.
Our tent's pretty good. We don't get wet.
Yeah.
Like Abby and Chris.
Yeah. I threw it. Gotta watch out for the bears. And then here
It's the beautiful lake.
the beautiful view of Leader Lake.
They are playing Frisbee, our ultimate game.
We love playing Frisbee in the water, listening to some music.
We got all our toys, trinkets. We got the famous swinging bench.
Famous bench. And there's the barge from the fireworks yesterday. You already saw the fireworks, but there's the barge. That's where it came from.
I know, I'm pretty full.
We're about to go to the middle of the lake and all cannonball in.
Oh, cannonball?
Cannonball. Can't mess around.
And it's sunset.
And there's the plane.
There's a plane. It's a beautiful night. Hopefully it's not too cold.
Look proper.
Hannah's gonna pretend. There you go.
Now Hannah's the lame-o.
Wait, it's a video.
Stop! Playing a sunflower.
Where are we?
We are about to start the Wascott 5K, Leader Lake, run amok. Voila.
It's about to start. Oh, there's our ratchet ladder. Jake, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you tired?
No,
Are you walking or running?
I'm walking.
No, you're not. You're running.
And in first place so far, Chris Bednars, reigning champ, reigning champ. And in second place, we have Samantha Kosher. Woo! Tied for third, we have Jamie and Mark. You guys got it?
I might be third and fourth right now.
Woo woo! All right, Drew. His head down. He's locked in. Locked in. How you feeling?
Horrible.
Oh. We're on the way to the tree farm.
Here we go. Well, I'm not gonna film there.
Oh yeah, so we're not filming it, but we're gonna do some knife throwing, axe throwing, and some pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew.
Shoot that blicky.
But it will not be in the
What is
YouTube.
that? Oh, there's a huge beetle.
Oh, hell no.
Love a big beetle. Show beetle.
Massive beetle. Give it to Chris.
Show bug.
Don't bring it over.
Let me see him. Bring him down here.
Geben mir das Bug.
Gabe Mir. Gift Mir, right?
Give me
Oh.
not me. Give me
Oh.
Gift Mir.
Giving me the beetle in.
Wait, I thought you were giving it to Chris.
Not letting
Give
me.
it to Chris.
Oh, Chris
Chris,
wants
not Drew. Right in the sun. The minivan 2025. Gotta get that side shot. Really does look like it.
Yeah, and this is the ad where like all-terrain vehicle.
Yeah.
And it's like they're just driving a dirt road.
Last night in Wascott. What else should I do?
Ready?
Okay. Is that pretty? Oh, that's so good, Charlotte. Do what? How about we do a nice one? What should we do? How about I just lick him a...
No,
No.
like a taco.
Oh, okay. I did that already.
Taco.
Thank you. You're such a good photographer.
I know.
See him. What do you want to do?
I want a funny.
Whoa.
Like I'm again
Who do you want to be in it?
with all of them.
All four of us?
Yeah.
Okay, where do you want to go? Right here?
We'll sit like
Okay, do
here.
you want me to take it? Wait, turn. So pretty. Oh boy. Yeah,
Look, I took a picture.
Drew's got his drone out. Go. Reflection is so pretty. Mwah.
The best sunsets here.
Gorgeous.
I think she had enough with that one.
Look at that. That's the end of this Wascott vlog. I didn't do that much talking or explaining. I was trying to enjoy my time here. I only get to come here once a year, so hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, you can subscribe to see more content like this, and I'll see you next time.